Inspired cinnamon roll French toast is back at IHOP, along with our new red velvet French toast and sticky bun waffles. The only way it can get any more delicious is when it's from someone else's plate. Try it as a combo and eat up every moment.
This is Jim. He's a proud hotel owner, but Jim is frustrated. The Rabbit Breeders' Convention
What
is
are you
coming
doing,
to town, and none
Elvira?
of the visitors stay in his amazing hotel.
What are you doing?
Why should you care? Well,
What are you doing
they
right
don't
now?
dump out for the websites that don't have his hotel.
What are you doing, Elvira?
What did you pause it for?
What are you doing? What do you want? Hi, beautiful. What are you doing? What's Elvira doing? Huh? What's she doing? What is that? What is that, Minnie Mouse? Why is your tail so itchy? Huh? Elvira, what are you doing? What are you doing? You got an itchy tail. Let me see. Let me see that itchy tail. Let me see that itchy tail.
Well, that does make it rough, don't it? It's not going to be adjustable at all.
Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl.
Just get that close up of him, man. His eyes are awesome.
I'm videotaping, David.
Oh, yeah. Good job, man. Good job.
Pretty girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Say bye. Say bye. Elvira. Hey. Hey, you. Elvira. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye, everybody. Say bye, everybody.
Why is the TV paused?
Show everybody your fingers. Say fingers. Say hand. Show me. Show me hand.